All the related information about wren lily flower are extracted from Google Wikipedia. Zephyranthes minuta, commonly known as the rose-pink zephyr lily or pink rain lily, is a perennial flowering plant native to Mexico, Colombia, and Central America. It is also widely cultivated as an ornamental and naturalized in the West Indies, Peru, Argentina, Brazil, the southeastern United States from Texas to Florida, Zimbabwe, South Africa, China, Korea, the Ryukyu Islands, Sri Lanka, Solomon Islands, Queensland, Society Islands, Kiribati, and Caroline Islands, Assam, Nepal, Bhutan, India. Zephyranthes minuta is native to Central America, from Mexico to Colombia, Nepal, Bhutan, India. They have been introduced elsewhere and have become widely naturalized. They are usually found in open pastures and hill slopes. Here in this video, Zephyranthes minuta flower are cultivated at Rinchinpung Miki's farmhouse, Radamate Dara. Rinchinpung is a town in West Sikkim, India. It is situated in West Sikkim, about 123 kilometers west of Gangtok, close to the village of Kaluk. It sits at an altitude of 5,576 feet. Like all rain lilies, they are known for blooming only after heavy rains during last week of April to first week of May. Zephyranthes minuta has large bright pink flowers, around 10 centimeters, 4-inch, and green strap-like leaves. They are found naturally in moist, open areas, often near woodlands. They are widely cultivated as ornamentals and have become naturalized in tropical regions worldwide. Zephyranthes minuta. Zephyranthes grandiflora. Scientific classification. Kingdom, Plantae. Clade, Tracheophytes. Clade, Angiosperms. Clade, Monocots. Order, Asparagales. Family, Amaryllidaceae. Subfamily, Amaryllidoideae. Genus, Zephyranthes. Species, Z. minuta. Binomial name, Zephyranthes minuta. Synonyms: Amaryllis minimicur Gall. Amaryllis minuta Kunth. M. Zephyranthes verecunda herb. Distribution and habitat. Hay are small plants, reaching only 15 to 20 centimeters, 5.9 to 7.9 in height. They bear 5 to 6 narrow and flattened dark green linear leaves, about 3 to 4 millimeters, 0.12 to 0.16 wide, from spherical tunicate bulbs around 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters, 0.59 to 0.98 in diameter. The single funnel-shaped flowers are borne erect or slightly inclined on scapes around 10 to 15 centimeters, 3.9 to 5.9 long. The fragrant six-petaled flowers are around 2.5 centimeters, 0.98 in diameter and 3 to 3.5 centimeters, 1.2 to 1.4 in length. The perianth is bright pink with a green central perianth tube that is less than 5 millimeters, 0.20 in long. The 6 stamens are of different lengths, one of 11 millimeters, 0.43 one of 16 millimeters, 0.63 and 4 between 12 to 13 millimeters, 0.47 to 0.51 5. They are shorter than the style and inserted at the mouth of the perianth. 7. The anthers are 3 to 6 millimeters, 0.12 to 0.24 long. Lastly, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button. Memories you left.